All right, here's some big news that we're currently tracking. Aryan Khan's bail hearing now to take place on Wednesday. This is the big news here. NCB to file a reply by Wednesday in the Aryan Khan's bail case. Here's Aryan Khan, who's currently lodged at the Arthur Road jail for under trials. Here, NCB now to file a reply by Wednesday, and therefore Aryan Khan's bail hearing to take place now on Wednesday. Remember, there was hope that hopefully the special court will take up the case today. We'll hear the bail plea, but here you hear that the NCB is only filing the reply by Wednesday on Aryan Khan's bail case. Mustafa joining us more on that. Mustafa, another 2-day delay for Aryan Khan's bail hearing. It's now to take place on Wednesday. What more do we know?
Well, yes, as we were speaking earlier, that the bail was mentioned out of the cause list today, and it was argued by Amit Desai, who is the lawyer for Aryan Khan, that because no quantity of drugs was found from him, the maximum punishment made out in this case is 1 year. To keep him in jail for a longer time does not serve the purpose, and hence the court has kept the reply filing of NCB's reply for Wednesday. The NCB earlier started by asking for a time for 1 week, but later they said that they'll be filing it by Wednesday, and likely that on Wednesday or Thursday the arguments on the bail will take place and then the order will come. So it will take a long time for Aryan Khan now to come out of jail. What we are also hearing is that the NCB as of now has told the court that they will only be filing a reply on the bail application of Aryan Khan and not of others. On this ground, the arguments are yet going on in the court, as the lawyers for other accused are also asking for a reply from the NCB on their bail application on Wednesday itself. So we can say that there is a process of bail which at the special NDPS court which has started. A date has been given for Aryan Khan's bail to be heard, a reply to be filed by the NCB. But as of now, whatever the case has been made out, it looks like the NCB again on Wednesday will be vehemently opposing Aryan Khan's bail with putting across new evidences, new people who are being arrested, suppliers, drug peddlers, foreign nationals, and they will be opposing tooth and nail till the last moment Aryan Khan's bail, and Aryan Khan till then remains in the judicial custody at Arthur Road jail. Back to you.
Well, Mustafa, I'd like to ask you what has really led to the delay in the bail hearing. On Wednesday, the NCB says it's going to file a response. There was already a 2-day weekend. Was the NCB not working during that time? Because we know that they were interrogating Shah Rukh Khan's driver who drove Aryan Khan and his friends to that cruise ship. So what really has resulted in the NCB to further delay in filing its reply on Aryan Khan's bail case?
Well, there are legal procedures, and the agencies also try to delay it as much as possible because they had received a notice from Aryan Khan's bail on Friday itself. But because the court had not given a date for the bail hearing to take place, the NCB thought it fit that they will wait till the time the matter comes up on Sessions Court on Monday. The matter came up in the Sessions Court on Monday, and then when the NCB, you can see here that when the NCB saw that the court has given a date, and hence when they went to the court, they didn't take the reply with them. They said that they need time to file the reply. So now they had asked for 1 week, then it came to Wednesday. In 2 days, the NCB will be filing a reply, and then the further procedure will take place.
All right. Did you just say, Mustafa, that the NCB initially asked for 1 week's time for them to file a reply on Aryan Khan's bail case? 1 week they asked. Eventually, the court said by Wednesday you've got to submit it. Is that right?
Yes, of course. That's the case. The NCB said that normally it takes this much time, and also they were saying that being other procedures which are going on and other raids which are going on, they are not getting enough time. But it was Amit Desai, Aryan's lawyer, who had said that NCB is arresting people on weekends, so it is that they are working on all days, and hence they should not take that much time. And he went on to make out the case of Aryan Khan, saying that it's only 1 year of punishment in the case, no drugs was found, and on the merits of the case, the NCB thought it right that Wednesday could be a date where they can file a reply, and Wednesday has been kept a date where the NCB will be filing a reply on Aryan Khan.
Well, here we know that the NCB is currently grilling other stakeholders in this case here. NCB has also grilled the driver of Shah Rukh Khan. Do we know if they found anything with that regard? And what do you see right behind you? Mustafa, take us through. All right, there you have it, right outside court. You see some chaos there. Mustafa, of course, tracking those developments. But what we hear now, the lawyer all set to comment on that. What we hear now is the NCB will be filing a reply only by Wednesday. So another 2 days for Aryan Khan in prison until the case is taken up for hearing.
Wednesday. Till then, no further statements.
When will the hearing take place?
On Wednesday at 11 o'clock. Okay? Thank you very much for all your help. Thank you. बुधवार को 11 बजे सुनवाई होगी क्योंकि एनसीबी ने उन्होंने बताया, उनके वकीलों ने बताया कि उनको रिप्लाई फाइल करना है। बुधवार को हम सुनवाई करेंगे। ऐसे जज साहब ने डायरेक्शन दिया है। एनसीबी ऑफिसर्सना आज रिप्लाय फाईल करायचं होतं, त्याच्यामुळे त्यांनी टाइम मागितले कोर्टाकडून, तर 11 वाजता बुधवारी ते फाईल करणार आहे। त्याच्यानंतर हिअरिंग होईल। नो क्वेश्चन्स।
Thank you, Mr. Manish.
All right, Satish Manishende there speaking to the media, saying very clearly he does not want to respond to any questions. But here's what the court has said, that the NCB will file a reply on Wednesday. The court has accepted it and given a time for Wednesday hearing at 11 a.m.